was a major time management issue that I faced because I did not practice enough full-length tests.
Practicing the MCQs, focusing on gradually starting the answer writing. You'll start answer writing from the day one. Once you read these NCRTs in your portal, you have mentorship tests. So, Masananta, like I said, it's the current affair coverage. It has been divided into the segments: polity, economy, select. So, what you can do, you can just read polity and economy in one day, or one polity in one day and the economy according to your control. How are you?
Good, sir.
Good to see you, smile. Okay. So, Ishita, this is our orientation call. Pehle we'll start with the introductions. Okay. You're fine
Yes,
with
sir.
Hindi as well, right?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
क्योंकि बीच में वो सब मदर टंग तो बीच में आती है. We cannot help much about it, right? So, पहले तो we'll start with introductions. So, you know about myself, then I have to know something about yourself in order to guide you better. Where I'll just briefly point out, okay, what is there in the school program. Then we'll talk about how we are going to move forward in the school year. Then we will talk about your targets, right? So, okay, my name is Swatantra Dantali. You know, I think already. I'm going to
Yes,
be
sir.
your mentor for this whole program, which is known as UOP 2024. I have given 6 attempts, 3 interviews. I have guided more than 800 students. Many of them also yes. So this is in brief. I have more than 5 years of experience. I'm with the CBSE from its very initial years, 2017 onwards. So I hope I'll be able to guide you better. Now, quickly, I want to know about you, especially your graduation, college background. If you're working somewhere, तो where do you work? What is your status with UPSC? कितना पढ़ा हुआ है? क्या पढ़ा हुआ है? Subject पढ़ा हुआ है? तो optional क्या है? Coaching कहाँ से लिए? Free है तो anything that you can tell me, just let me know.
Okay, sir. Should I tell, sir?
Yes.
So, sir, I completed my graduation this year. So my final year exams got ended in mid-May, around 14th of May. I appeared for my first attempt this year itself, although I did not clear this attempt. I have read the books, I have my notes prepared. I haven't touched answer writing yet, and essays also. Ethics, I believe, is my weak point. Uh, and my subjects for graduation were sociology, economics, and English literature.
Okay. You read the books. So subject wise,
Yes, sir.
quality.
Lakshmikant, sir.
So you have made decent notes.
Yes,
काफी कुछ
sir.
पढ़ लिया है, but there is no answer writing practice, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's no answer.
How was कितना score आ रहा है? Have you calculated your score for this year prelims?
Sir, I could attempt only 68 questions. There was a major time management issue that I faced because I did not practice enough full-length test. Also, my science and tech preparation, I believe, was not up to the mark.
Okay.
Just completing the current affairs magazine did not suffice for it.
Okay. ठीक है. What is your optional? Sociology?
Sociology, yes, sir.
ठीक है. ठीक है, Ishita, I have decent idea about you now. So you are just you just graduated in this year only, and you have as you claim to be, right? I'm not going to take this and anything just for granted. I would make you read under my guidance again. But as you claim that you have read the basic subjects from the standard sources, politics, history, economic, geography, environment, almost everything you have done. We have notes of everything, but there's no answer writing practice so far, right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Now, Ishita, let's talk about briefly about this whole program. ठीक है, इसमें है क्या? So this program is known as Ultimate Assessment Program. There are a few components of it. So pehla component is your mentorship. So I'm going to be your mentor. My job is simply there's a three broader spectrum in which I am going to guide you, such as the role of a friend, as a philosopher, as a guide. So as a friend, my job is to make sure you are always on the line. कई बार academics के अलावा और reasons होते हैं when you divert from the path. So I'll make sure as a friend you are stick to the path. As a philosopher, it is my job to tell you what is the thought process that you should have. UPSC आप में क्या ढूंढ रही? What kind of ideology that you should follow? Answer writing में आपको क्या approach होना चाहिए? So I'll be keep telling you those things. As a guide, My job is to tell you कि क्या subjects है, क्या targets आपको लेके चलना चाहिए. When you will attempt a test, so I will also discuss your test one to one. Attempt करोगे, you will share that PDF with me, I'll review, then we will discuss. Like this, it is going to work. Second component is assessment based. Essentially, it is an assessment program, right? So we are heavily focusing on assessment. तो उसके लिए you have test series. You have prelims का test series, mains का test series, essay test series. Other than that, by these test series are pre-scheduled. Like एक fixed already schedule is out. एक fixed interval पे है. Like you would read some portion of the subject. तो आप फिर पॉलिटी के कुछ टेस्ट लगाओगे, फिर वो मेंस के कुछ टेस्ट लगाओगे, तो वो सेक्शन वाइज है, फिर वो एडवांस है, फिर फुल लेंथ, राइट? So these are on the regular intervals, but we have one another assessment which is more continuous in nature, okay, which is on the weekly basis, right? So this assessment is on the weekly basis, means that we have one current affairs program which is known as Samachar Manthan. So Samachar Manthan program में we cover a holistic, we cover current affairs in a broad spectrum. मतलब जो भी एक वीक में इम्पोर्टेंट है यूपीएससी के लिए, वी कवर दैट न्यूज. ठीक, वीकली 2 क्लासेस होती हैं ऑन द वीकेंड, सैटरडे एंड संडे. ठीक, उसके ऊपर आपको फिर एक रीड फ्रेंडली मटेरियल मिलता है. वंस यू गो थ्रू दैट मटेरियल, यू आल्सो हैव टेस्ट ऑन समाचार मंथन. तो ये वीकली असेसमेंट है. 20 एमसीक्यूज प्रीलिम्स के बेसिस क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं और 5 आपको मेंस के लिए सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वीकली असेसमेंट. तो पहला कंपोनेंट हो गया मेंटरशिप, दूसरा टेस्ट सीरीज, थर्ड कंपोनेंट इज समाचार मंथन. Fourth component is our prelims specific program known as Decimate Prelims. It usually starts 3-4 months before the prelims. इसमें हम टारगेट करते हैं स्पेसिफिकली प्रीलिम्स को कि सब्जेक्ट कैसे अप्रोच करना चाहिए, किस सब्जेक्ट में इस साल क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो एवरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल दैट वी कवर इन इट, राइट. साथ में आपको पेपर को लॉजिकल अप्रोच बताते हैं कि अगर आप यूपीएससी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ एग्जाम में जाएंगे तो समटाइम यू कैन गिव इंटेलिजेंट गेसेस एज वेल. तो हम उसके बारे में भी डिटेल में बात करें इन दिस डेसिमेट प्रीलिम्स प्रोग्राम. Afterwards, you will attempt the prelims, then we'll shift to the dedicated means phase. जिसमें we will attempt full net test and we'll target to qualify means also this year. Now, these are the broad components. ठीक है. Now I'll tell you कि how we are going to move forward in this year, right? So we have divided this whole year into some segments, right? So segments in terms of the time that we would give for a particular approach or say particular area of study. जैसे I'll tell you. So these segments are divided like this. तो हमने कुछ phases में इस पूरी साल को divide किया हुआ. By the way, these are broad framework. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि this is the sole framework. This is a broad framework. On the basis of it, we are going to move forward. The first phase is our foundational phase. Foundation in the sense that we will cover the basic subjects in it: polity, modern history, economy, geography, environment. In bracket में जो भी mention है, these are the days ideally these subjects should take. But since you already read the subjects, I would expect you should take lesser time than these, right? But ideally, like not ideally, the maximum limit which is there is your 100 days for this foundation phase. ठीक?
Yes.
Then we would shift to the other next phase, like we shift to the next phase, which is known as ramp up phase. तो जो बुनियाद फेज है इसमें we will cover basic subjects. Our focus would be on concept building, practicing the MCQs, focusing on gradually starting the answer writing. We'll start answer writing from the day one with our Samachar Manthan program. From today onwards, we'll start answer writing, right? That's how we are going to move forward in foundation phase. Second phase is ramp up phase. It is divided by paper wise, like paper 1, 2, 3, like this. So we will cover paper wise approach. Once we cover foundation subject, तो हम paper 1 approach में paper wise approach में जाएंगे. However, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 we will do in chronology. Paper 4 को we will try to take along with it, right?
Okay.
We will not try to dedicate extra time for it. हम उसको साथ में कर लेंगे, so that we just save our time and we can give our time more on the revision and practice. ठीक? Is in this phase we will try to focus more on mains. Prelims का हम practice करेंगे, but mains would be our more focused area. Then we will shift to the prelims oriented phase. Okay? In this again, like I pointed out, कि जो prelims के specific जो भी important है, we'll try to cover. I will share this PDF with you at the end of this call. But okay, I hope you're getting what I'm trying to do.
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
Now this phase-wise approach would be divided into weekly targets, right? So I'll be giving you the weekly targets. Initially तो हम बहुत slow रखेंगे. Gradually we'll increase the heat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first we are going to start with our polity. तो पहला
Okay,
subject
sir.
polity. Polity के लिए we have two sources. One is your NCERTs. Second one is Lakshmi. ठीक है. So I want you to read for this particular week two NCERTs first. So there are two NCERTs that you must read. First is Indian Constitution at Work. Second is Political Theories. ठीक है.
Yes.
Once you read these NCERTs in your portal, you have mentorship tests. Right? When you log in into your portal, you go into the learner tab. Right? There you will find the mentorship test. What I'll do, when I'll be done with giving you the targets, so I'll ask you to open the portal. Okay? You share your screen. I'll tell you सब पोर्टल में किस चीज के लिए क्या है. ओके. अभी
Okay, sir.
पोर्टल एक्सेस करके देखा कि नहीं देखा?
No, sir, not right.
ठीक है. तो आप लॉग इन करके you should try it, right?
Okay, sir.
So anyways, you would read for this particular week from today onwards 382 NCERTs. Indian Constitution at Work पहले, फिर Political Theories. उनके बेसिस पे you have test as well.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. These tests has been given in your portal only by the name mentorship test. तो वो सबसे नीचे है mentorship test. Attempt only these NCERT based tests, or we uploaded it, but attempt these two NCERT based tests. So once you're done with these two NCERTs, you will attempt the test. जब वो test attempt हो जाए, you will share that PDF with me.
Okay, sir.
Detailed review आता है, कौन से question गलत हुआ है, क्या सही हुआ. Around 75 pages का PDF आता है. You will share both of those PDFs with me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you simultaneously you start with your Samachar Manthan program.
Okay,
You
sir.
start from June 3rd week of Samachar Manthan. अभी जून
Yes, sir.
का कल classes थी, and it is around there. So you can start with your Samachar Manthan 3rd week June. अभी हम पहले 3rd week करेंगे, फिर 4th week करेंगे. So when we go into the 1st of July, तो हम जून का 1st July का और 2nd July का साथ में कवर कर लेंगे. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
We are taking it slow. बाद में हम heat increase करेंगे. ठीक है. So pick
Yes.
up and start reading your Samachar Manthan. Samachar Manthan, like I said, it's the current affair coverage. It has been divided into the segments: polity, economy, history, like this. So what you can do, you can just read polity and economy in one day, or one polity in one day, next day economy, according to your control. We have this tracker. What you will do, you will try to finish your to-do list every night for the next day. जैसे आज रात के लिए, आज से तो तुम आप सिंपल भरना शुरू करना, लेकिन कल का जो ट्रैकर होगा, तो try to fill it from tonight as itself.
Okay.
Then mention your date, track your mood, water intake and everything. Main thing is this. क्या पढ़ रही हो, क्या पढ़ रही हो, I need you to mention. ठीक है.
Okay,
If
sir.
you walk, mention it. If you are sleeping, mention it. Having lunch, dinner. I just want you to track your whole day here.
Okay, sir.
So that I can get, okay, इशिता का जब से क्या productive time होता है, कब वो पढ़ रही होती है, I can actually get. अभी when I ask कितना समय देती हो इशिता, you can say it's 8 to 9 hours. But if I am not able to gaze it, if I'm not able to map it, if I'm not able to scale it, तो मैं शायद आपको better guide नहीं कर. So I want you to
Okay.
fill this tracker every day and share this with me. अपने पास एक कॉपी रखना, take the screenshot and share this with me. I'll send this PDF to you as well. ठीक है. Okay. Other than this, we have 2 Telegram groups. Okay, which is one is of Samachar Manthan, another one is of UAP. उसकी भी link you will also find in portal.
Okay, sir.
Join those groups. एक मेरा individual group है Telegram में. मेरे सारे MNTs जो 25 के हैं, they are there. So you can join that group as well.
Okay, sir.
Telegram में.
Yes.
So जो भी आप टेस्ट की PDF वगैरह शेयर करोगी, try to share them with me on Telegram. Because
Okay, sir.
because when we meet, तो वो I used to take discussion calls by my iPad, तो उसमें share करने में easy रहता है. Otherwise, no issues. You can do it on the WhatsApp as well. But if you can, तो try to do it on the Telegram.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear क्या करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have few exercises also to suggest to you. I know कि आपने सब कुछ पढ़ रखा है, but it might seem very illogical to you. I want you to go through your syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Prelims का, मेंस का, ऑप्शनल का, वो सिलेबस वर्ड बाय गिव इट एवरी 15 minutes ऑफ योर डे.
Okay,
शुरुआत
sir.
ट्राई कर, सबसे पहले सिलेबस से शुरुआत करो एंड ट्राई टू जज ऑनेस्टली कि आपको कोई जो टर्म आ जो दी गई है वो आती भी है या नहीं.
Okay, sir.
Right, whether you have the actual understanding of the term or not. For example, urbanization is it. So you know what is urbanization, but do you have the technical understanding of the urbanization?
Okay, sir.
Yes, I want you to focus on that. वो terms को खुद को verify करना अपने knowledge को. Find out Google it. अगर अगर लग रहा है कि आपकी knowledge अलग है, you didn't understood properly, note it down. Give 15 minutes daily और 4-5 terms को धीरे-धीरे you can verify. Okay. How long you need to do this exercise? Until and unless you have your syllabus on your fingertips. This
Okay,
would
sir.
help out immensely. But
Okay, sir.
now when you would read your Samachar Mantra, so you would start reading by the topic, right? कोई एक topic आपने जैसे पहले उठा लिया. So even before reading the topic, try to link this particular topic with the syllabus topics. कि वो syllabus के कौन से area में fall कर.
Okay, sir.
Can fall in one topic, one area, or it can fall more than one area. I just want you to mention it by your pencil कि यार ये area में ये topic आ सकता है या fall करनी. जैसे पॉलिटी में
Okay, sir.
पेपर 2 में तो पेपर 2 के किस एरिया एग्जैक्टली किस टॉपिक के अंदर मेंशन. Now this exercise would help you in linking your current affairs with the static portion better. साथ में it will also help you in better updation of your notes.
Yes, sir.
Third exercise, दो चीजें क्लियर है. Syllabus reading, then
Yes, sir.
of the syllabus with the link with the your Samachar Mantra. Third is revision. I want you to revise on the daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. How can you do it on the daily basis? आपके पास ये tracker रहेगा, right? So you would mention here whatever you read in a day.
Yes, sir.
दिन का आखिरी घंटा. I mean last 45 minutes or 1 hour you can dedicate just for the revision. आप जो भी पढ़ो, just look at the tracker, pick up the topic or the subject, जो भी आप मेंशन कर रहे हो, और just try to close your eyes and try to remind yourself कि क्या पढ़ा है, कितना recollect हो रहा है, right? Then quickly skip and skim through. फटाफट पेज पलटने हैं. रिविजन है, right? So you must understand this is not rereading. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप word to word फिर पढ़ना शुरू कर दो. You just need to skip and skim through. You need to freshen up your memory. ठीक है? Daily basis पे ये करेंगे. When we will have Sundays, तो Sundays में you need not to do anything extra. समाचार मंथन की क्लास करी और जो भी आपने वीक भर में पढ़ा हुआ है.
जी, sir.
When I say week one, it means that all the tests that you would attempt, all the questions that you would write, all the subjects that you would read. Just make sure they are passing through your eyes again. आपकी उससे
Okay, sir.
memory strong होगी. Your recollection would be stronger. आपकी analytical skills better होंगी उससे. Right? So please try to do that. So you will start your day by reading the syllabus. Then maybe at your own way you can read NCRTs. Then Samachar Manthan and practice. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we
Yes,
start
sir.
clear with you.
Yes, sir.
And do not forget to share this daily tracker with me.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
No, sir, not right now. I'll message you in case I have any doubt.
So we will have these calls weekly for few months. Afterward, for few weeks, we'll have weekly calls. Then we will shift to the 10 days call. Then we'll shift to the 15 days calls. Okay.
sir.
But we will be in regular touch. If you have any doubt and difficulty, you can always text me. Okay. So we'll connect
Okay.
WhatsApp पे. If you call, if I do not pick, I'll definitely get back to you. हो सकता है कि I'm in some kind of session at that time, right? So yes,
Okay.
this is the way you can connect with me. We'll have regular calls, but make sure you attempt tests and share those with me. Otherwise, these
Okay,
calls would not be as meaningful as they can be. Okay?
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay, Ishita.